Hi my beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm called Irene So Eater. On my YouTube channel it's Irene So Eater. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed, and thank you for the returning subscribers. So guys, in this video today I want to show you about the mega project that I've been waiting for it to finish. Guys, it's about this gate. Look at this gate. I'm standing here at Amara's home next to the gate. You can see this is the road known to each and every one of you that follows Marwa, and this is the project that I've been waiting for it to get finished. Guys, I'm telling you, I've been seeing this gate. I used to see this gate in the Middle East, like in Dubai, Saudi, the rolling sliding gate. But today we happen to see this gate here at Marwa's place. So I'm just going to give you a tour of this gate, how it looks like, guys. It's an amazing gate. You know what I mean? Yeah, this is the gate. Don't worry about the people around here. You know, the tent was here, but it got demolished because it's done, you know. And this is our beautiful girl. She sells us sugarcane. You know, we love chewing sugarcane, so we do buy it from here. And say something about the gate and yourself.
Hello guys, my name is Ezih. I'm taking sugarcane. The gate is beautiful. The gate is, you can see the beauty of the villa. Like the villa is taking shape.
Yeah.
Everything is in control, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. So now you know the gate is everything.
Yeah.
When you have a good house with no good gates.
No. Yeah.
Yes, you know, like the security and everything. So the security tight. When you enter, they're gonna take care of you now. There you can see the window.
Yeah.
There's a window.
Yeah, there's a window there.
Yeah. So thank you so much, guys. Subscribe, like, comment, drop a comment, tell us where you're watching us from.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you, Ezih. So guys, this is the gate, the rolling sliding gate you're talking about. Come and show them how to. You can put an alarm here, or a socket here with electrical socket. Then you just press OK. The gate opens without the work of without security. You can just open the gate yourself, but still it's a rolling gate. Show them. You see the way it's coming down here. It's coming. This one is like a railway. For the rolling gate, it can open using electricity still. Then it can still go back like this. Yeah. So you can see the work of the what do we call it? Money work. The work of human beings. It's a beautiful. You can see the touching when I'm touching the tiles. They're so beautiful. You can see here. And here is where security will be sitting, waiting for visitors to come from abroad. These are our securities now. They have a beautiful small house to take to talk, to joke, to smile, to be serious with their work. Like my friend here is very serious with his work. You can see the beautiful gate. Which one is the entry?
I think all the entry, but I think this one.
This one is the entry.
Yeah.
You come here through this side, the right side. This is the exit. The right side is the exit. And on your left side, this one is the entry. Yeah. So guys, this is amazing. This is a big project. I'm talking about being big project. This one has not been not done yet. And you can see from this other side. Yeah. You can see from this other, I think they are fixing network there. You can see the gate. This is the gate we are talking about. The multi-million gate I'm talking about. You can see the rolling gate. This is the rolling gate. This is the rolling gate. The magnificent gate we talk about. Guys, you can see the rolling gate. You can see the amazing and beautiful gate here. You can see beautiful people. If you can manage to put this up in your village, hey guys, go do this in your village and everybody will respect you. If you haven't come to the party, this is the moment that we've been waiting for, and the moment is here. I've experienced to see this. I'm very happy to see this get here. I used to see it in Middle East or in Nairobi, but now it's here. I've seen it. I'm so excited. Yeah. Just have a glimpse of it. Just love it the way it is. I love the colors, how they mixed the colors together, they blended so well. I love the colors. You can see. And that is for today. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment, tell me something sweet, something amazing. I will appreciate so much. Bye bye.